Crunchified Clean friends, I am super excited to show you the new Mucho mop by Microfiber Wholesale, and I think you're going to love it mucho. So flat mops are the gold standard for professional cleaners, but with a traditional flat mop, you don't get a deep clean because it doesn't get into the little crevices that easily. But with the Mucho mop, it will. The Mucho mop has these chenille fingers. Look at that. Hundreds, if not thousands, of little microfibers in little finger forms, and they can get into little crevices. So this will be a great tool for dusting high-reach places like a grate cover or a ceiling fan, for mopping floors, especially floors that are stone or granite or marble and are bumpy and are not even and they're different heights. These little fingers will get right into the grout and in between the little ledges and wedges and crevices and cracks. The mop head is a patented 360 degrees turning tool. So you can turn as you're using the mop. So you don't have to physically move yourself. You could just turn the handle. It's amazing. And the mop is made of thick aluminum and stainless steel bolts. So you're talking about a sturdy mop handle, and it extends over 5 feet. So you get a high reach. So check below my link, use my code, and get 15% off and free shipping.